Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 11th, and this is my analysis of gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams I do on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on Gold Monthly, I definitely think it looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a big old wave 3. There's still no proof this wave 3 is over, and wave 3s can extend way beyond what you may think. I mean, this thing could just keep on going to one of these higher fib levels before it actually decides to make a wave 4 and makes a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have no Fibonacci bounces, we have no breaker structure to the downside, we don't have no lower high. Most likely this move down is just a crescent to the last wave up, and most likely it will continue the uptrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I would have been looking for 3 waves down, impulsive up to go short, especially on shorter time frames. I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive wave, and we are looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down. We're looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go long. It looks like it could possibly be the end of a crescent already. I've actually been long on this since before yesterday, and I would expect it to likely just keep on going up. Probably going to go up and at least touch one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels, in my opinion. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a complete ABC crescent. I mean, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of A. I see 1, 2, 3 waves of B. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of C. It technically kind of turned right in between 2 Fibonacci levels, but that does kind of happen. And on the daily time frame, it looks like it just spiked below the 50, so I would consider it did respect the 50%. So if this is the end of a crescent, then it likely will make pullbacks along the way, which is great news for us. But it will likely just keep on making those higher highs, higher lows on like this 4 to 8 hour time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, this is likely the end of a crescent. So if it is the end of a crescent, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback. So I mean, maybe this is a wave 5 on the higher time frames, but we don't really know that, like a wave 5 of wave 3. So since we don't know that, we need to continue to look for longs, because if it stretches out way beyond what a wave 5 would do, then obviously that's great news for us. If it is a wave 5, then we'll eventually see a break of structure, probably around the previous highs, which will tell us to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. As of right now, though, because of the higher roadmap time frames, I'm definitely looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see on these sort of time frames. Like I always say, the trend is your friend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.